We tried couple of business portal creation, and we also went to Web and in Web also we tried creating some partners and relationships. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Hello?
Tell me. I'm not able to hear you, Prashant. I think somewhere there is some problem in your microphone.
Can you hear me now?
In your microphone there is some issue.
I don't think. 1 minute, I will add it.
Which is the microphone you are using?
It is HP.
Oh, Logitech, the 100 rupees wala is the best one actually.
Okay.
Right.
Now is it clear or?
It's fine, yeah. So, because I was on hands-free and now I've set up my microphone, yeah. So I can, tell me, like you're telling something.
Yeah, we tried creating some few business portals in both GUI and Web UI.
Absolutely, okay.
Yeah.
So, today the topic would be customization of BP. Customization of BP. That is, the transaction code will be /n SAP project reference object. SAP project reference object. Done. SAP reference IMG. IMG is called implementation guide. Implementation guide. Then cross application components. SAP business partner. Business partner. Basic settings. Business partner roles. Define BP rules. Define BP rules. Define BP rules. Contact person. Copy as. Copy as. I'm changing it to a. Do remember in SAP we have to use Z or Y. No other letters should be started. any new customizations should start with Z or Y. Okay. Global contact person. Then enter. Click on save.
Save.
After that it will prompt for a customizing request. Click on continue. Back. Go to, so you have created a business partner role, isn't it? Now go to easy access. That means create a new session /NBP /NBP. Click on person. Then come down to create in BP role. Can you see this? Global contact person.
Yes.
So that means now we have customized a new BP role for this client. Right. Now let us customize this grouping or number ranges. Grouping or number ranges. Both are same. Now after basic settings BP role, no need of notes, go to number ranges and grouping. Define number ranges. Click on change intervals. Here we are going to create a number range, but we cannot repeat. Suppose 1000 to 199 is already there. I cannot repeat that. But you can see 2000, it is there till 20099. Then if the same number is used somewhere, I want to use it from 3000. Can I? 2000 3000, it is already there. I cannot use it. Isn't it? You can see this 3000 to 399 is already there. So I cannot use it. 4000 to 499, 5 to 599, 6. But I can use from 7000, isn't it? See this series from 7000 it is free. So that means let me copy that number range. Click on plus intervals. You have to give a unique number here. NO. Take it from 7000 till 7999. Enter. This 23 is already there, that's why it is not taking. Take 38. That is already there. Let me take it to 67. You can see this. Already these numbers are there, then it will not allow me. That's the reason I'm trying to. $41 is not there. I'll take 41. Okay. 41, I have taken this number, unique one, and don't select ext. Ext means external number. Int means internal. So external means it will allow only user can enter. Internal means the system will give it. Continue. Define grouping and assign number ranges. Go to new entries. 0041. grouping number, that means number ranges for global customers, global contacts, GLO contact. And number range you have to give it as 41, because that's what we have created, isn't it? Click on save, continue. Back. So now again the same thing, go to the easy access, already there, slash, again you have to refresh it, otherwise it will not work, slash NBP, person, global contact person, create, and in this number ranges we have created something 0041, isn't it? So once you give some basic, so I'm going to save it on a role global contact person. You can see the first number has been automatically,
Entered.
yeah. Suppose if it is external, there is a checkbox there, you can try that when you practice. Give a checkbox and try on your own. If you give a checkbox, it will say that because this number is external, please enter the number. And when you enter something else 3050, it will say sorry, please enter between 20700 to 20800 or 799. It will stop you from doing whatever you want. Between that range only it will allow. Okay? You can try that. Back. Then go to field grouping. Configure field attributes for BP role. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Enter. Field grouping. Sorry. In this, come to this ZUP 001. Double click. Suppose, let me take you to the other screen. Every time we have to see, go to easy access. Slash NBP. /NBP, and then in this create a person. Now select the recently created global contact person. Create. And suppose you see this payment transactions. You can see these bank details. Now, for example, I don't want this bank details block. This is a block actually. So I don't want this block. So what I'll do, go back, select bank details dataset. This is called dataset actually. But in the front end we call it view, in the back end we call it as data set. And click on details, hide it, save it, continue. Done. So once you're done with it, then again go back to /NBP, click on person, go to global contact person, and create payment transaction. Now you can see that banking is gone, isn't it? The block is gone. In the ING, when you go to this, you have to select exactly the BP role where you want to hide, not all. Okay. Then go to address determination. Address determination. Define transactions. Define transactions. And change one of the take this and send bill, copy as, send invoice, enter. I have to start with some Z letter. It's already there, so change the number. 5. Click on save. Right? Send invoice. Then define address types. Again select that send bill, copy as, send invoice, send invoice. Select something. Can use the same one here. Save. We have defined a transaction, define address type, assign transaction to address type. New entries, send invoice. That means first I've created a transaction, then I've created a, now I'm joining both of them. Save. Continue. Done. Now, like every time I say, go to easy access slash n slash nbp. Now this define transaction address type, it will affect all BP roles. You can select even contact person, click on create, go to address overview, come to address usage. You can see this, send invoice. You have to select that folder, then down below or top, both the areas you'll find something called as create invoice. Standard address I did not give, right? I have left it empty. Once you give that address, it will ask you to click on create. You can fill a new address for any existing client also. You can do that. For example, if 1000. Have you created BPs, all of you? This is the
Yeah.
okay. Select send invoice, create. You can see it is asking me to create some validity date. I have today's date. It's already closed. So we can copy an address like this, so which is already standard. The other way around, for a new partner,
Ready for sending invoices.
yeah, that is the address like for that. So for sending invoices, I'm selecting this same address. So that will come into the standard. So that means because this user wanted a separate invoice related folder, so you have this create option here on top as well, you can see. So I've selected a create invoice, or suppose send bill. The send bill option, you'll find this address on top. So I want street and a different number, postal code, in Frankfurt. I want the bill to be coming to on this address name. Isn't it? Billing address, the clients would sometimes differ. So obviously when you go to the top, these folders will accommodate your addresses like this. Okay, back. Then go to forms of address. Maintain forms of address. You can see this: Miss, Mr, company, doctor, Miss, baby. So because baby is only a person, not an organization, so we have added this. So Mrs. is they have added, Mrs. They have most of the things they have added. Maybe I want to add something called as master for kids, so I'll take something called as new entry Z009 master. Master is a person or organization?
Person.
Person, right? Gender not known. For me itself, make it as master and kids as baby, right? Right. So if you can see this, master, person. Now come back, /nbp, click on person. Now you can see this new forms of address is available. Go back. In this, you don't need all these things. You can try them because the same entry here and output. So go to status management, define status profile for user status. Select business status, partner status profile. This is 10, 11, 12. Can you mute yourself because there is some disturbance in this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 17 is empty. So let me enter something called as 17. So I'll give a starting number, I'll give an ending number. 17. At 17 it will end because the statuses has to mention with numbers. Let me save. Continue. Okay, I have created a status profile. Now again go back to /nbp take the same person which we have created 207,000. Go to status, go to the internal cursor, assign status profile, business partner status profile, and come down. Just now we have created this global platinum customer. So assign. Just go to the check mark. It will take you to the global platinum customer. Right. So after this, I want you guys to try it. Go to, suppose you can see, go to persons, something called marital status, maintain marital status. So anyway, these are, many are listed here, not mentioned, single, married, many things are there. Okay, so if you want, you can go for a new entry, and you should know where to check. Where is this marital status? Generally in the easy access /nbp person, you can see this in the identification you have. You should immediately identify where it is. It is in the identification screen. Then come back. Then if you go to name components, suppose academic titles, because professor, doctor, BA, so there are a lot of things like MBA, PhD. Like if you want to add something, you can go into new entry and add it. But do remember, when you go to this, it is there in the part of address only, and you will not find the academic. So you will sometimes, if you don't find, see this additional fields. Go to this academic title. Okay. So try to do this exercise on person, organization, and group, and I will try to get you into the next topic called org model in the base customization. Because you are recording, you have to follow these exercises again in practice, right? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, Ravi.
Yeah. So go ahead and do
Yeah,
these
yeah.
things. Yeah, we'll catch up tomorrow. Okay.